everyone, this is Mom Joy Aquino once again, and this time I'm going to show you how to properly iron long sleeve shirts like this one. Okay, so first, reminders in ironing. You have to adjust the height of the ironing board below waist level, and then we're going to check the cord for any open wire, and then check the voltage if it is compatible to the outlet. For steam iron, you have to fill the water tank first with water and then plug it with dry hands. Adjust the thermostat depending on the fabric type of the cloth to be ironed. And lastly, you have to test the heat on the edge of the ironing board. Okay, let's start with the reverse side or the wrong side of the long sleeve shirt. Underside of the collar first, back sleeves, okay, so this part is the placket, but don't iron on top of it, on the button itself. So placket, double lining, and underline. Fold, okay, for proper body mechanics, we're going to use our left hand. Again, placket, double lining, and underarm. Then, we're going to start where we last ended. So, I'm going to start here on the front sleeve. So, this time, let's iron the cuff, double lining, and underarm. Fold, the cuff, the double lining, and the underarm. And then hold it here near the collar and on the last button. Okay, so let go of the distal side. So here is the button holes and hemlines. Okay, turn it away from me. Then iron the double linings and the hemline. Fold, turn away from me. Double linings and hemlines. And then the bottom line and the hemline. And then right side out. Okay, same goes, we start with the collar. Top side of the collar. And then the back sleeve. Lock it first, but do not iron the buttons. The sleeve, and then the underarm. So you can press and then blind. Fold, use your left hand placket. Do not iron the buttons. And then the sleeve. And then the underarm. Fold, and then I'm going to start where I last ended. So here first. Okay. Use the left hand cuff, sleeve, and underarm. Cuff, sleeve, and underarm. Okay, and then hold it near the collar and on the last button. Let go of the proximal side. Then we're going to iron the bottom lengths, bottom hole lengths. And then get the other side of it. This time the bottom line. Just press in between the buttons. Then let go of the proximal side. So we're going to iron the chest. And then the shoulder. And then the other side of the shoulder. So you're going to turn it like this. Okay, so the borderline should be here and here. And then the chest. And finally the body. It should be away from body. And last part of the body. When done, we're going to switch the thermostat off. Unplug the cord. Insert the hanger in question mark position. Close the top 3 alternate buttons. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 5. And fix the color. Okay, so this is it. Thanks for watching.